This is an ultra mission of me, Thomas, and Tangle Kiddie ride. It's a mini version, so let's go. Yeah, I think it's me to enjoy, so yeah, let's do this. Ready? 10. Because he's done flashes first. Have any more? 20. 30. 40. Hang on. Hang on a second, guys. Oh, come on. I think that's it. So, yeah. You're still mute. Because it's in a hotel. Remember Arch Mitchell in 9.95. Oh, that's right, Brittle Thomas Limited. Yeah. Yeah, it's mute, sadly. I don't know why it keeps doing that for some reason. Let's play. Yeah, unfortunately it's mute, so we don't have to say it. You're a really useful engine. I need you to help with all the other engines. Ooh. Yeah, it's still mute, sadly. Stop button. There's Thomas' space there, the mini version. So yeah. Don't know why this model's mute. Yeah, that was the ultimate of me, Thomas, the Tangle Kiddie ride.